The final W question is where the source was produced. Now, one of the easiest ways for you to understand the importance of where is to look at two school history textbooks written about the same event in two different countries. The year I started teaching in 1993, Wales was given its own history curriculum that was different from the English curriculum for the very first time. And almost overnight, we went from teaching how the Normans conquered Britain to how the Welsh resisted the English. In any conflict, knowing which side the author of the source was on will help you make judgments about its reliability. The Cold War is a particularly good example of this because it was, at least partly, a war of ideas in which winning arguments was of paramount importance. Neither side was a reliable source about what the other side was doing. Of course, the Soviet Union was an authoritarian dictatorship with information strictly controlled by the state. But the USA was also routinely involved in secret military actions preventing the spread of communism and overthrowing democratically elected regimes all around the world. But they couldn't say that, could they?
This is the first time in the history of the world that the communist government has been overthrown by the people. And for that we congratulate you and the people of Guatemala for the support they have given. And we are sure that under your leadership, supported by the people whom I have met by the hundreds on my visit to Guatemala, that Guatemala is going to enter a new era in which there will be prosperity for the people together with liberty for the people. Thank you very much for allowing us to see this exhibit of communism in Guatemala.
You're welcome.